Welcome replay viewers, and good morning again everyone. We're still here at the Speonk station of the Long Island Railroad, watching the eastbound trains that are taking folks to the golf tournament in Shinnecock Hills. The next scheduled train is 8730 from up west to Speonk, but he's running 15 minutes late. Okay, they just announced 16 minutes late, but I think what we're going to see first, yes, I hear it coming now, we're going to see what they're calling 9702, a special train running from New York City to Shinnecock Hills for the U.S. golf tournament, U.S. Open golf tournament, the round 4 today. All right, the gates are going down behind me at North Phillips Avenue here in Speonk. This train should be an express right through this station. And then on the heels of that we will see 8730, and then behind that one will be the Jamaica to Montauk train 8704 carrying people to the golf tournament. And people will be able to board 8704 here at Speonk to get to the golf tournament station at Shinnecock Hills. Let's call this one an express running through. I'm calling it 9702 according to the special schedule put out by the LIRR. Hi. And here it comes. Unless I'm mistaken. Now this is 521. This is a, yeah, this is a DM. That was for us, from one of my engineer acquaintances. Aha. Aha, good people. They're going to stop here at Speonk? Maybe? Yes. Yes. Okay. Good news. Good news. Stopping at Speonk today. Great. Ah.
Thank you. Thanks. You still here?
I'm here 48 hours straight. Boy, you're going to have some busy day today, huh? Unbelievable. All right, so this looks like an unscheduled stop of 9702.
Another train going forward to exit. Speonk, doors are now open here at Speonk, henceforth cars only, Speonk station.
Okay. Get the next one.
Shinnecock, we're adding stops to Montauk. West Hampton station will be next. West Hampton next. Down there? I can just run down there.
All right, so that tells me then this is 9702. 9702 from the city, making added stops today to Shinnecock for the 4th round of the golf tournament. This will be followed by 8704.
What time is we getting now? We could. He's trying to. He said he forgot tickets. He was trying to get somebody to drop off.
They got time. The railroad's doing a great job here, good people. They're making these added stops today now for the 4th and final day of the U.S. Open. And some people are taking advantage of it. So.
They hopping on?
West Hampton station be next. Watch closing doors, watch closing doors. West Hampton next.
Okay. We'll catch the next one. But the railroad is being very accommodating here this Sunday morning. I have to say that, folks. Hats off to them today. Mr. Eng, your people are doing a great job today here at Speonk. All right, take care. Have a good day. You're going to have a busy one. 5, 6, 7, 8. DM30 AC 509 in trail. So that was the special golf tournament added train 9702, which was originally express New York to Babylon to Patchogue.